Let's see what it sounds like. But first of all, I have to do what here? Take the period away, and this is no longer
a capital.
Right, because it's going to be part of the sentence, the big sentence that has two ideas. Let's see what it sounds like. Ready to read with me?
Earth's outer core is super hot rock. However,
that means we're going to have a change now. Let's start with however again. However,
the inner core is a solid ball.
Is this bringing back some memories of what you read?
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to read the next two sentences to decide what they're about, and then we have to decide how they're different. Where is the difference? Okay? Where is the contrast? Ready to read? Be thinking what they're both about. What's the common topic? Ready? Read with me.
It takes many years to make good soil.
It takes many years to make good soil. What do we need good soil for?
For the plants to live on Earth so we can breathe.
Good. And so we can also, what's something else we do with plants?
Plant them for food.
For food, yes. So we need what for that? Good soil. And it takes how long? Many years for good soil to build up. Let's see what the common idea is here.
Weather can quickly erode.
This word is erode. Say the word.
Erode.
Erode means to damage it, to destroy it, to change it. Would it be good any longer if it's eroded?
No.
No. So both of these sentences are about what? They're both about soil. This one talks about good soil. What is the contrast? What's the difference? What does this one talk about? Yes.
The bottom one is destroyed soil.
Destroyed. Is that the opposite of good?
Yes.
It is. So we have another contrast. What are two words we can use to combine them? And however. Which one would you like to use? I'm going to let you choose. What's the first thing I have to do here? And make it a lowercase w. What is that going to sound like? Okay, partners. Who's your partner? Partner 2. You go first, decide which connector you want to use to show contrast, and say your sentence to partner 1. And then partner 1, you decide which one you want to use, and you say it to partner 2. So who's going first?
Number 2.
Partner 2's. Okay, let's see what your sentence sounds like.
It takes many years to make good soil, but weather can quickly erode it.
Okay, so you use the connector word, but would you now, partner 1, what connector word will you use?
However.
Okay, let's see how it sounds.
It takes many years to make good soil, however, weather can quickly erode it.
Very nice. You are becoming super sentence writers. All right. So we just worked at combining sentences. When you combine things, you put them together. And the ideas in these sentences were contrasting. There was a contrast. Everyone say that?
Contrast.
A contrast means things are different or the same. Which?
Same.
When things are contrasting, are they different or are they the same? Different. Hot is different than?
Cold.
Fast is different than?
Slow.
The outer core is very different than the?
Inner core.
Good is different than? Destroyed or erode. Okay, so those were contrasting. There are other ways sentences relate, but today we studied contrasts, how sentences contrast.